Hi, it's Kevin King with GemCar. Today I want to just talk with you quickly about barcode reader. Seems like a simple concept, but imagine shop management software that uses a barcode, not only for products and items that can already have a barcode, but you can print barcodes and label items that go into it. This is a great way to have your inventory be accurate and your pricing structure to be correct. Imagine when you go to the grocery store, as an example, you buy a can of tomato soup, boom, bing, bing, you know the price is correct, that you're going to pay $1.49 or $2 a can, compared to they weigh it, they put it on a scale, somebody manually has to punch the numbers. It's a trust validation with a barcode reader that it's very accurate and very consistent. So as products come in, you can actually scan them from the delivery as the drivers bring them in, or your parts suppliers, even on their invoices, have barcodes that you can scan and record in your shop management. So with barcode readers, we also have an integrated punch clock. And with the integrated punch clock, we also have a workflow. So our work orders with the labor procedures have a barcode on them. So when the technician takes the work order, if it is printed by paper and you're not using the integrated punch clock, they can scan the work order, begin capturing time on that job that they're working on, go out to the shop. As they grab an oil filter, they can scan the oil filter. It automatically adds to the shop management that they use that filter and puts it on the work order. If they end up taking additional products, miniature light bulbs, some of the cabinets, a little hardware, all the very expensive butt connectors that you're ordering in all the time, they can walk over basically and be able to scan them, and those items automatically will add to the work order for the service advisor to approve and decide whether he wants to just absorb it under shop supplies or have an inventory list of exactly what was used on that particular vehicle. So we also offer with 1D and 2D barcode readers now. You could have QR codes. So on some of the newer vehicles, when you're checking in a vehicle, if you're using a tablet, we also have an integrated barcode. You open the driver's door, you can scan the QR code right on the door jamb, or scan the VIN number, and it automatically will decode inside of the software. So we'll be able to tell you year, make, model, and all 17 digits of the VIN number will automatically be accurate and updated into your system.